In this video, I will show you how to earn $320 for every 10 songs you listen to, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How do we do it? We're about to find out. This is How to Make Money Online Listening to Music. Before getting started, make sure to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you can get updates on our future videos as well. Think about this for a second. How cool would it be if you can get paid just by listening to music on your smartphone or on your computer? Well, it doesn't actually matter what you're using right now, you will still get paid for listening to music. This brand new method is available worldwide. You can do this from anywhere in the world, whether you're in India, the United States, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, South Africa, United Kingdom, Bangladesh, and I mean literally anywhere in the world. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. So today, I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money and get paid by simply listening to music, just like this one, along with all of these songs right here. Just imagine the earnings you will get from all of these songs. Right over here are all the rates ranging from this amount to this amount, and they're listed right here. And as I scroll down farther, there are literally pages of people from all over the world who are earning from this brand new method. So let's compute how much you're able to earn from this method. If you listen to 10 songs, you're able to earn $320. If you listen to 20 songs, or twice the previous one, you can earn $640. And when you listen to 50 songs, you earn $1,600. The best part is you can do this on your mobile device or on your computer, and it is 100% free, so you don't need to invest any money at all. This brand new method is perfect for newbies. Definitely watch this video all the way through because I'll give you a bunch of exclusive bonus tips that will help you earn twice as much as other people. So make sure to watch out for those bonus tips because they will really help you a lot. With that being said, let's jump straight into this brand new method. The first thing you need to do is visit this website, which is mixkit.co. On this website, you're able to find various stock music, which is free to download and make money from by simply listening to them. As you can see here, there are 100 pages of songs that you can download for free using your smartphone or computer. Now, I will give you the first bonus tip, and I want you to pay close attention. When you go to mixkit.co, head over to their homepage, and right here, click Genre, and you'll see different categories of copyright-free songs, which you can download and start listening to. For this video, I want you to focus on hip-hop and acoustic music because these two are the most popular categories right now. After choosing the genre, let's move on to the second step. I want you to keep on watching because this step is also crucial for you to earn the most amount of money from this brand new method. So for the second step, head over to this website, which is upload-forever.com. If you don't know much about this website, let me explain more about what they do. So basically, you can upload different files right on this website, and whenever someone downloads your file, they will pay you directly to your preferred payment method. How cool is that? This brand new method has great potential for you to make a lot of money online. So, in order to make money from this brand new method, you need to go back to mixkit.co, browse for a song and download it for free, and then head over to uploadforever.com and upload that song right on this website. Whenever someone downloads that song on this website, you will be able to earn some amount of money, which will actually depend on how much you want it to be, and I will show you in a bit how to set that up, so stay tuned and keep watching. As you can see here, you're able to keep the entire earnings yourself. The best part is they pay in different payment methods. They have PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, and Perfect Money. And if you're into cryptocurrency, you can also receive your payments through any cryptocurrencies you want. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer. And I'll try to make videos about that as well. Quick tip, if you have an Android phone right now, go to Google Play Store and search for the app Up-Forever. and then download the app on your smartphone for absolutely free. Now, I will show you the entire sign-up process. I want you to pay very close attention because this might be a little tricky if you skip over a step. So, head over to upload-forever.com, and I want you to click on this one right here which says Sign Up. And that will then take you to this page where you can sign up for 100% free. So what you need to do right now is fill out your username, password, and email address, and right here, choose your preferred payment option. As for me, I actually prefer PayPal, so I will provide my PayPal email address right here. After that, tick this box that says I'm not a robot, and then just click on Sign Up right here. That's very simple, right? You can just watch this video again if you didn't get it the first time. After you register, you're now able to log into your new upload-forever.com account. Right here is your very own dashboard, and feel free to explore this dashboard. Moving on, what I want you to do is click on this button right here which says Upload Files, and that will then take you to this page where you can start uploading the songs that you've downloaded from mixkit.co. After that, you can start getting paid. Now, this is another crucial part of the process. You have to make sure that you don't upload any files that go against their terms of service. So, if you want to make money with this website, make sure you don't violate any of its rules. Another very useful tip, if you can't seem to upload on this website, you can check and make sure that you've disabled your ad block. Moving on, I will now show you the step-by-step process on how to upload the music you've downloaded from mixkit.co to this website. All you have to do is head over to mixkit.co and look for a good song under the hip-hop or acoustic genre. You can scroll through all these collections of songs, which by the way are free to download. You can click here if you want to listen to a preview of the song you want to download. So this is the title of the song right here, and this is the artist. If you like this song, simply click on the download button. And as you can see, you can download it straight to your computer, your laptop, or even your mobile phone. The best thing is you don't need to create an account on this website to download it. That is so cool, right? After downloading the song, what you need to do is go back to upload-forever.com, and right on your dashboard, click this button right here which says Upload Files. That will then take you to this page where you can now actually upload the song. The next thing to do is choose the file you want to upload. In my case, I will upload the song I've downloaded earlier right here. You can see that they will show you how big the file is. Another bonus tip, it's very important to make sure that your file is set to public. That way, other people can download your file so you can earn money from it. For the description, make sure to copy the title of the song and the name of the artist. To do so, go back to the first website, copy the title and the artist, and then just paste it right here. When you're ready to upload the file, simply click on this Start Upload button right here and wait for the song to be uploaded to this website. Once your file has been uploaded, simply go back to the home page and click this one right here which says My Files. This is where you can see files that you've uploaded so far. You can see here the name of the file and also the size of that said file. On this page, you are also able to view the number of downloads your file has. Right now, it's still 0 since we just uploaded the song. Also on this page, you can set the price for the song depending on how much you want to make. To do so, just click on this green icon right here, and you will be taken to this page where you can set the price. So just type the price you want. As for me, I'll simply type this price since I think this is enough for me. After doing that, scroll down below and click on this Submit button. That's everything you need to do in order to make money from this website. Always make sure to make your file public so that other people can download it. And then don't forget to set your price so that you can get paid for every download. You can simply repeat the whole process over and over again so that you can earn more money. Now, don't turn off your laptops. I have an amazing offer for you that will help you earn $30 every time when someone clicks. No, you don't have to buy or sell anything. You don't even have to create any content or make any videos. No skills are needed for this method to work. All you need to do is use this one-click app and you will get $30 every time someone clicks on it. You're just 3 steps away from eternal, never-ending free buyer traffic and massive paydays. Even the beginners are getting results, as you can see here on this screen. The name of this amazing app is Clicko. This is an amazing system that pays you every time someone clicks on it, as you can see here. This is the best system because you still get paid even if nobody buys anything, which makes failure virtually impossible. This method works 24/7 and will help you earn more and more money online. This is a 100% genuine method, and you can see the reviews of the people making money using this method. So, what are you waiting for? I have shared the link to this amazing app in the description. Simply go to the link, activate the app, and start earning money every time when someone clicks. I hope you loved this video. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like the video, press the subscribe button, and tap the notifications bell so that you get notified for future videos as well.